Hey friends, I'm Sona. Welcome to Booksparks. Here we turn the best self-improvement books into fun whiteboard animations so you can learn faster and apply the lessons to your life. Do you want to improve your relationships fast? Today we are diving into How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Let's go! How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book is written by Dale Carnegie. Do you want people to like you, trust you, and say yes more often? There are fundamental techniques in handling people. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. People don't like being judged. Criticism only makes them defensive. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone craves appreciation. A few genuine words of thanks can change someone's day. Arouse in the other person an eager want. People care about their needs, not yours. Show them how your idea helps them, and they will be all ears. There are 6 ways to make people like you. Number 1, be genuinely interested in others. Number 2, smile. That's easy. Number 3, remember and use people's names. Number 4, be a good listener. Number 5, talk in terms of their interests. Number 6, make them feel important and do it sincerely. How win people to your way of thinking? There are some techniques. Avoid arguments. Show respect for their opinions. Never say you are wrong. Admit your mistakes quickly. How to be a leader without offending. How? Praise before giving criticism. Call attention to mistakes indirectly. Talk about your own mistakes first. Give people a good reputation to live up to. And don't forget, knowledge is only powerful when applied. Winning friends and influencing people isn't about manipulation. It's about genuine respect, kindness, and understanding. Apply even one principle and you will notice a difference. Apply them all and you can transform your relationships forever. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life-changing book lessons with Booksparks.